Right, okay, this will be a short video on using the Mendeley citation plugin in Word. I do have some other videos on this which I will link to students in relevant modules. So here's my Mendeley database, which you need to be logged into Mendeley at some point, but we can just close that down now. If you haven't installed this plugin citation yet, just either go to Mendeley and go to help guides using the plugin citation, or just search for Mendeley citation plugin. There's a lot of stuff here about how to use it. The main thing is how to install it, which can be a little bit tricky. You just got to look around and follow what's happening. It should be fairly straightforward. And then when you've got it, you can open it up in Word. Right, so we've got a Word document here. It's just some random text. Students get a bit freaked out by seeing these sorts of things. It's just turning carrots on and off. It just makes it easy to see what's happening. Right, so we've just got some random text here. Some random text. We're going to insert some references and then create a reference list, or bibliography if you will. Technically a bibliography is a list of items which you've read but haven't cited in your text. It is somewhat interchangeable with references, but it's probably best to go to references, but I don't think people are going to worry too much about that. Right, so we're going to put some reference in and then create a reference list. Okay, so in your references, when you got Mendeley installed, you should have the plugin over here. We just click on this, and there's two ways you can do this. One is you can just insert sort of stuff which you can find in the list, so I'll just insert that one. Right, but more likely, particularly when you've got a lot of references, you're then going to have to search for things. So I'm just adding stuff randomly here. So Zhang there, we'll add Zhang. And then we'll add another one. Yeah, okay, so it's letting us do that one. And then we'll add a Smith. Should be quite a few Smiths. Yeah, we'll pick that one. So save changes, was it not added that one? Because it's in the wrong place. Beg your pardon. Because I was trying to insert in the same place there. Right, so Smith, insert citation. Right, okay, so we've got our reference is in. Now, one thing we're going to make sure is we're using the right citation style. It may not start off in Cite Them Right 11th edition Harvard, which is actually what we want. Okay, now I'm going to move down here into the references area and just click on Insert Bibliography, Continue, and it does it automatically for you. We'll notice it's put them in the correct alphabetical order of references, and it's put the references up here in proper Harvard format as well. So that's all there is to it. Should be straightforward enough. It was a pity we couldn't do it the other day with the problems the university was having. The internet stopped us. Right, okay, so we'll stop that.